In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull a site requirement report. First thing you'll do is go into Projects and Sites and locate your specific site, clicking the Edit icon under the Action column. You'll then go into the Requirements tab, and here at the top you'll see the Download Report that will generate an Excel spreadsheet that will indicate all current site requirements. So as you see on my screen, we have the OSHA 30 and then the Site Safety Orientation document that is set as a requirement, and I've only completed the site orientation form there labeled by green. In addition, you can go into a specific worker profile to see when they submitted that document and also print that document if needed. So you'll just type in the worker's name, you'll go into the Documents and Videos tab, Library and Documents, and there you'll be able to view that specific orientation form, ensuring that it's been successfully completed with the signature and date.